What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So we got my cousin back here, Hunter. He's hiding. There he is. We got Steven with us today. We are headed down to Big SoCal Euro. If you've watched the last video, we are going to be dynoing the S4 today. So, hoping for some good numbers. I would like to see around 440, 450 wheel. And we're on the E40 file from 034 Motorsports for those who are asking. So, let's get started with today's video of Big SoCal Euro. So, I couldn't really tell you what's going on here, but we're at the Audi pre-meet before Big SoCal Euro. We're getting lined up, and we got like, I don't know.
That's at least 100.
Maybe 100 Audis.
Yeah.
100 Audis
one Lamborghini
with like one Lamborghini mixed in there. But we are rolling out to Big SoCal Euro. We got a lot of cars out here. Behind an S4, we got an A4, and then we got an RS7 next to me that's probably gonna eat me alive. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed that dyno run, the car will be on at 2 o'clock, so I'm kind of worried it's going to be a little hot out when I go on there. There are so many people here, and it's only 12:40. What do we got going on over here? Send it.
The rally car.
So, it's time for me to go up. I'm scared. Okay, let's get some guesses on numbers. Steven, what do you think we're making? What are we making?
460.
460, what do you think we're making? 12 horsepower, what do you think we're making?
445.
Alright, well, I will be happy with anything over 450. Anything less than that, then I'm returning the car. Selling it, just kidding. But let's get the car warmed up, get it on the dyno, and let's see what happens. You're messed up. You're out here saying my car's gonna blow up. Everyone thinks my car's gonna blow up. That's messed up. You're already calling the tow truck and shit.
If it doesn't,
everyone's jinxing me.
If the wheels, we're gonna have to pull you.
I'm selling it if it doesn't make 350. What are you doing?
Huh?
You better be giving me your credit card to fix the car when it blows up.
I'm trying to get 450 in on my SQ5.
Hang on.
The joke's almost funny, Steven.
It's almost funny if this is working.
I do it on Mustang.
Oh, thank you very much.
Mine wouldn't get on there. No, his is on air. Mine wouldn't make it. No, actually,
So you guys actually missed it, but the car almost came off the dyno. It was secured, so it was totally fine, but temps look good. We do have a weird traction control light on, and it's showing kind of front diff something going on. So hopefully the car isn't broken, because I do need to drive it home. So I'm kind of worried about that. Do have AAA, so end of the world, it'll be home, but gonna have to scan this as soon as I get off the dyno, and we'll figure out what's going on. Alright, so that light that came on, supposedly someone saw the ride height sensor, which is for the headlights. I can't really see it down here, but it was hanging, so maybe that snapped when the car jumped. Not totally sure, I can't really see it, but... Oh, there's something down there. Oh, that's it right there. Yeah, it's dangling. Alright, well, let's hope that is the issue. I'm gonna get it over to a shop here and try to figure that out. Alright guys, car is not broken anymore. I basically just restarted the car after it was sitting for like 5 to 10 minutes and the light's completely gone. So I think that kind of like height sensor for the headlights wasn't actually the issue. Another thing I noticed when I was looking at that sensor is the nut is actually on the outside of it. So maybe I didn't hook it back up. All right, so we got our dyno numbers. Luckily they didn't fly off, but 413 and 409, not bad. So it is Tuesday, it's a few days after Big Euro, and well, we're out here in Azusa Canyon. We're kind of lost. Steven's taking some photos of the Audi. Pretty cool little skid pad area overlooking, LA's way out there. So, had a great day Sunday. It was super sketch when the car was on the dyno. From that video, the tail of the car kind of like hopped when it like shifted or when you lifted, and it like swirled around in the back. It was kind of sketchy. I'm sure it was totally fine because it was completely strapped down, but it was just first time with a car on the dyno, so I was a little nervous. But the car made 413 wheel. I don't really remember what the torque numbers were, but it was somewhere around the 400 range. I kind of think that's lower than the car should be at, due to a few factors. It was really hot that day. The car also, he only revved it to I think 6,700 RPM instead of past the red line, which it's tuned for. There's some other things people were mentioning, maybe wheel size was inputted incorrectly or whatever. But I'm super stoked that I was able to do it. The car did it just fine, even though it did throw that little like sensor light, which did go away when I restarted the car. So overall, I'm really stoked. Thanks to everyone who came up and said what's up. I really appreciate it. It was nice meeting all of you. I hope to see you at the next big show. I'm not sure when that will be, but just stay tuned for that. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.